that leg down and had this one up right underneath the shield? Or was that actually illegal?
Which one?
This was two or three.
Yeah, I saw it. It's like a bell style. They just have it like up. It's like either like.
Oh yeah, it's
So he was actually like this, and that's because he's like this. He's trying to
Okay.
down.
And I didn't actually know the rule on that, so that's why I was
Yeah, you
wondering
have to keep your legs
what
like
exactly happened there.
Okay. Good. It's just a control thing.
Okay.
It would not be good to change that.
No, absolutely not. But
Oh, that's a good idea.
No, go ahead.
When he goes on his knees, will the optimal place to do circle around that way, or will he circle around the source of the action?
It really depends what you're going to do. If you feel you are the superior swordsman, with your superior sword build, circling towards his sword will cause him to feel a shock at you. Which means you can block him with both. That's good. If you feel like he's, a better or of equal skill, circle towards the shield, and eventually you're going to wear him out, and he's going to start lagging behind you as you rotate, and you really need to hustle. You don't want to just circle, you want to slow that, you want to really move it around. And he's going to start, dropping the shield, or you're going to try and turn too slow or something like that. And then you just want to keep shooting for that shield shoulder, or the back leg or something from the shield side. So if you're much better than them on your sword-on-sword blocks, go towards your sword like a throw. If it's equal or not as comfortable as they are, go towards their shield side. Make sense? Good. Someone else up? Roll clock left. Doing the same thing to you pretty much every time. And because he's doing it every time, you need to develop a tactic for it and exploit it. Good. That was good. If you've been able to keep the arm as well, it would have been perfect. There was no reason for you to get it. That was... I want you to try scooping under his shield on his your right hand. So under like between his hand and the shield. And if he moves the shield and he starts to post, pull back out, block that shot, and push it. So make sense? Right. Basically, you want to do whatever they can do to make him throw your outside. So here's the deal. You can actually hit this one. Unless it does this. If he does that, it's going to try to reverse turn himself. It's fun. So you start here, moves in, he starts to bend, he's going to throw it to the side, you make sure like this. So small hand, so almost nothing.
I don't have any left-handed shooting guys to practice on, so he's going to take a little bit.
I understand. I really would do them so I get to use all the time. I love fighting with these guys there. Yeah, I want to fight a lefty. Bing, whack, whack, whack. That's good.
from this angle, every time you're coming in, you're doing that overhand. And so every single time your guard's raised on the right-hand side, it means you're taking advantage of that side.
Try to do some left side shoulder.
Left side shoulder, over the top.
Yeah, what's that? Your left side. Good.
I'll throw that shot for anything. Shields.
You see if you can get into, if you throw low here and he decides to move his shield instead of trying to block with his sword, he just immediately responds.
I tried to avoid it, but I still twitch. I won't even block. I'll finish the block real time, but I'll still twitch my shield.
I do it all the time on the right, I just, balancing this stuff.
You've got a really good strong hand in your fortune. Your right or your left, you need to go to the left. You did really consider making that primary front.
That's why I usually kill people.
Then you stab a lot with your left, and it's good, but it's like with that shield there, there's you stab.
And I've noticed that, and I used to do myself a very long time. So, well, I used to kill a lot of people with my left, primarily because I was fighting with dominant right, and then they stopped paying attention to me. I hit them. It wasn't because I had a really good lefty game,
Yeah, I mean, that's not the
it's because they were ignoring it to such that